Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for more incoming videos, and like the videos and comment what you have question, if any question you have. Hello friend, today I will show you how to read message without showing to a person that I have read the message. In WhatsApp you see that there is an option when you open your WhatsApp account. There is an option, for example this is an account. So I send this message I send dot message to this person, so this person have the ability, this person know that I have read the message, because this message include two dot, but these dot are blue. If you click on this button and then info, there you show that read this message is read 52 minutes ago and delivered 20.55 time. Now this is the time in which time this message is delivered, and this is the time in which this message is read it. Okay, so I have sent this message to this person. Now I know that this message is read by this person. Now another thing, when someone send me message for anything, any message, when someone send me message and I have opened this message, for example I opened my data, and I open my data to show you how can now I send message hello. Okay, now this message is not deliver and not read. So how, for example this is my business account, so I go to my business WhatsApp business. So if I open the business, now the message is delivered to me. This means the message is delivered to me. So I come back to my WhatsApp and see that now you can see that hello message is delivered to my WhatsApp account. So I click this and click on the info. Now this message is delivered just now. This message is delivered now. Then how I identify this message is read it or not? So if I open my WhatsApp business and click on this person I read this message. Now it's mean that I read hello message. So I come back to my WhatsApp and see that this message is delivered, because the two tick sign is converted into two blue tick sign. So it means that you click on this email, on this message, and click three dot here and then info. After info you see that this message is read it. Okay, now another thing is, how can you stop and don't show to any person that I have read this message? So for that purpose you have to download the app which I have recommended to you, anti-delete messages app. Okay, you have download this app and open the messages. After messages I saw one is the WhatsApp and one is a business WhatsApp. So I open business. Now this person have sent me one message. When I open this hello message is here. Okay, so how can I read? If I send this message hello to this person, so if this message is present, I open WhatsApp and read here. I read hello message, but this person is not informed that I read his message. So for this purpose you have to download this app, anti-delete WhatsApp messages, and send and read every message in this app. This app will help you that no one can know that you read his message or not. Thanks for watching.